Sai Kumar Kottiwada. In this video, we'll try to learn about CORS issues and what is CORS. In general, during the initial projects, we see CORS issue many times and get confused where and how to fix the CORS, whether it is a front end or back end issue. In this video, we'll learn why, what, and how CORS can be handled. Let's understand what is CORS. CORS. CORS is abbreviated as Cross Origin Resource Sharing. CORS is a HTTP header-based mechanism that allows the server to indicate whether the request is from same origin or not. By checking CORS, browser will permit loading the resources. In modern browsers, every request will do a pre-flight request to check whether to permit the actual request or not. This policy is introduced for secure request handling. Let's understand these points with an example. Let me consider my JavaScript code is running at 4200, and if I try to request a HTTP call through the browser, a browser will do a pre-flight request to the server which is hosted at sample.com. If you see here, localhost 4200 is a front-end code which is running and sample.com is a backend code which is running. So when the server receives this request, it immediately rejects the request and throws a CORS issue because both domains are different. How to identify this CORS issue? If you see this example, I'm trying to request some fetch request to a ionicframework.com from somewhere like localhost 8100 or null or any localhost to some other domain where access control allow origin is not handled at that particular time. We see this issue. By seeing this issue in the console, we can identify this is just because of CORS. Let's understand how to resolve this. So to avoid CORS for any application, we have to configure response headers in the backend. The headers used for handling the CORS is access control allow origin, which accepts either origin or a star. The header value can be some origin name like sample.com, which indicates some domain name, or star, which indicates all the domains can access the origin. For example, in Express.js, we can handle this CORS by using a CORS middleware that can be handled app.use of CORS method. Let us understand the same thing with an example in real time. Here I'm running something on localhost 4200 which is not running in my system, so that my domain will be a null domain, and let me try to hit some API or any HTTP request. Let me consider this request. That means a localhost 4200 which is not running in my system is trying to hit some https ionicframework.com, and let me hit enter. It throws a CORS error. Why? Because Ionic is not allowing other requests. That means it is not having access control allow origin with a star symbol. That means it is not allowing from all the origins. It is allowing only from the ionicframework.com origin. So in this case, we are trying to hit something from the null, and that null is a request from JavaScript code, and that is hitting a request which is in ionicframework.com. Both domains differs, so hence it is throwing a CORS error. If you go to the network and go to Ionic Framework, see the response headers. If you see the response headers, we are not seeing any header with access control allow origin. That means it will allow only ionicframework.com's requests. Okay, so let me go to Ionic Framework now. In this Ionic Framework, let me try to hit the same request. Ionic Framework, but here the from domain is ionicframework.com and to domain is also ionicframework.com. So as per our understanding, this should not give any problem like CORS problems. Let me hit enter. It's giving undefined. That means there is no error. This indicates that Ionic Framework and Ionic Framework from and to domains are same. There is no CORS error. Let me go to network. check the Ionic framework and you are getting a successful request. And if you see the headers, there is no access control allow origin configured by Ionic framework. By this, we understood how the CORS works. So it is recommended for every backend folks to configure a particular domain or allow an origin of star so that every request is possible to hit that server and get the data. Hope you guys like my video. If you like my video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel for more updates.